Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dani. For today's video, I'll be sharing with you my everyday makeup routine. So I try my best to keep it as natural, and the makeup that I'll be doing is face mask proof, and most of the items I use are very affordable. And by the way, I'm not a makeup artist, so I just do whatever works for me. So if you want to know how I got this look, keep on watching and don't forget to like and subscribe later. So let's get started. Already prepped my skin with skincare. So now I'll be starting off with my lip balm. Okay. There. And then since less is more, I'll be using a tinted sunscreen for my base. Okay. So we don't want foundation because baka umapit siya sa face mask. So after that, I'm gonna put on concealer. So I'm using two concealers, both from Maybelline. So I use the darker shade that matches my skin for my pimples or pimple marks. And then I'm using the lighter shade for my eye bags. Now I'm gonna wet my sponge with my water bottle spray. So you wanna keep it super natural. Then blend the other areas. Okay, once that's well blended, we will proceed with setting it with powder. I like baking under my eyes since I have eye bags. Powder I'm using is just Johnson's baby powder, by the way. Then I'm just putting on all the areas that's oily. Then later na yung full face powder. So while waiting for that to bake, I'm going to proceed with eyebrows. I want it to be natural, so I'm just gonna fill it in. So I'm just following the shape of my brows. Sorry, I'm looking at the mirror, guys. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I'm using Maybelline. Then I'm going to set it with eyebrow gel from Michido. It's overused also. Now I'm going to curl my lashes to make it seem that I'm awake. And then I'm gonna put on a mascara, again from Maybelline. Like there. Ta-da! Since that's done, I will go on remove the excess powder around my face. May kagat, as you can see, kinagat ako ng lamok. I will put a little bit of color. So I will use, I have two options. The blush from Maybelline. This is in shade I Can Kill for Gold 06 or Full Benefit Bronzer. So if you want it to be affordable, let's use the Maybelline. And then the sides. Draw the number 3. Move on with blush. So I'm using Pretty Secrets Lip and Cheek Soft Glow Tint and Warm Blush. So it's like a dupe for Glossier. So there. It's just so natural, see? And then to finish off, I'm gonna use KJM's Lip Cheek Tint again. For my lips, I think the color of this is Dolled. So I'm using mga tint para kumapit siya sa skin and hindi mag-transfer sa face mask. And that's, setting spray. So this is just a DIY setting spray. So I'll let that dry and then we're done. So make sure to let it dry para hindi talaga siya kumapit sa face mask. Guys, so here's my final look. I will now try it on with a face mask to prove that it doesn't stick on your face mask. So here. Now I'll remove it and show you guys how white it is. It's clean. So it's a success. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye!